Yo, what's up with it, guys? It's your boy Chin Diaper. I haven't gotten a new pair of glasses in mad long. Like, these are holding together by tape. So we're gonna go buy some glasses over in Phnom Penh City. We're gonna show you what we end up paying for them, and we're gonna see what we get. Yo, so we over by the Central Market. The whole street is mostly pharmacies, so it's pretty easy to find. We're gonna go see if this place is any good because I gotta get me a new pair of glasses. So we're seeing if they have some fake Oakley frames, aka Folkley frames. What do you think?
They're a little bigger than the other one.
I kind of like that though. It makes it look like I'm wearing goggles. Yeah. All right. This is the other one.
Ooh.
This was more like what we had before.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Wow. I don't know if I'm ready for sunglasses. Although out here, it's probably a good investment, right? Like. Can we do an exam?
Sure, but they just want to check the old prescription.
Oh, cool. Yeah, sure. So it looks like we're going with Spider-Man. Three, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6. 8, 2, 5, 3, 4.
Hey, what's this for?
These are so you can get used to the prescription in case you try to go outside and get smacked by a motorbike, you know?
So you have to get a new prescription?
Well, yeah, one of the stigmatisms is a little bit worse, but it's not really much different than the last time, so
okay.
That's good. All right, we're gonna pick out some glasses now for the Mish. So far, I had a very thorough eye exam.
Yeah, it was interesting. They have the machine and everything. It's pretty cool.
And they're just writing up my stuff, and we're gonna do Mish's stuff now. It's been a good month, so we might as well get some stuff done. And
it's been 5 years, by the way, since we got glasses.
Yeah, we're really bad. We're like ridiculous with getting this stuff done. Like,
yeah. Well, a lot came up, you know.
We've been just so busy, like doing stuff for the business and doing stuff for like
working all day, every day.
Pretty much hustling constantly. So now it's a chance to get some new stuff. I had to get a new phone today. We got the, what is it? The Samsung
S20 Ultra.
S20 Ultra, getting some new specs. So, you know, sometimes you got to do it, guys. Sometimes you got to re-up.
These are my old glasses, old chip, almost about 5 years old, you know, small. And this is the new ones. I think these are nice.
She's copping some feasels, some fake diesels. We call them the feasels. Yo, it's Uncle Chin diaper. So 148 for two, including lens, frame, and exam. Well, the exam's basically usually free in most of Southeast Asia. So this is less than you're paying for a pair for one person, for sure, in places like New York, you know, for sure. Unless you got that Medicaid, son.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So we both got our eye exams today. We picked out some lenses, and we're gonna go pick up the glasses tomorrow. So let's see how it goes.
Yo, it's the delicious Jesus of expat relocation. So we're gonna go pick up our glasses. They're finally finished. It's a day later. Our internet's working again, so we're pretty stoked on that.
Thank God.
We're gonna go see what they look like. Let's go check it out. Hey, hey. I'm here to pick up some glasses.
Hey,
I gotta get
we're back again.
regain my vision. Let's see. All right. Got some new glasses. Let's see how we look. Whoa, the world is way brighter. Look at that. What do you think? Is that all right? Pretty good? All right. Let's see what the Mish is. The Mish glasses.
Yeah.
All right, these are yours, Mish. And you're gonna wear them all the time.
Wow.
Boom.
Really clear.
Nerd.
Dude, really clear.
Look, she's got fake diesels. She's got the Feasels and I got the Folkleys.
Measles.
The fake Oakleys, you know?
You just need matching t-shirts now and you'll be so cute.
See the color change?
Yeah, sure.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
honestly, they're nice looking glasses.
They're gonna color change in the sunlight.
Very nice glasses.
Interesting.
Wow.
All right, so come check out Mega Optical.
This is the place to go.
Yeah, like good service, everybody speaks good English, like thorough eye exam, very good quality Folkleys, very good quality Feasels. All right.
Hey guys, so we got new glasses. Pretty comfortable and pretty clear.
So that was about $140 for lenses, glasses, exam.
Total. For two people.
For two people. And I'm happy with it. It's good enough. It looks good. They look good. All right, so if you need to get glasses in Phnom Penh, you know, come check these guys out. They're really nice people. Are you thinking of living, investing, buying property, buying land, working, or spending any significant time in Cambodia? Cambodia is an amazing country that offers a wide range of different opportunities for someone who has an open mind. If you're thinking about coming to Cambodia for the first time, we offer a consulting service for people who are looking to have everything done for them before they arrive. They want their housing contacts, their employment, their consultants, whatever they want to find in the country, they want it set up. That's what we do for you. We make it easy so that you don't have to worry about scams, problems, or other pitfalls that new expats face in this amazing country.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up. Check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start? You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true. You don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. And we help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.